I turned one digital product into 5 streams of income in my business. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it and how you can follow my exact process to turn your digital product into multiple streams of income. Now, here's the thing. When it comes to digital products, most people are focused on creating a ton of products. And there's nothing wrong with this way. You can make a lot of money selling a lot of products, but it's not the most efficient thing that you can do. Instead, you want to focus on creating an ecosystem of products and services around your knowledge and your experience that can generate a significant amount of money with far less effort. And that's exactly what I did in my business. Now, before you can build multiple streams of income, the very first thing that you need to know is what problem you're actually solving. And this is what I call a profitable problem. Now, a profitable problem is a phrase that I coined, but essentially it is a problem that is specific, it is urgent, and it is necessary for your ideal customer to have solved. Now, in my case, I recognized that there was a gap in the market for business advice, specifically online business advice for moms. All the advice that was being poured out on the internet was given by men or women who did not have kids. And so they did not understand the nuances of building a business while being a mom, while even working a full-time job and having other responsibilities. Instead, they were given advice like being on social media all day and really hustling, which is not really possible for a mom, but especially a mom who really wants to prioritize her family and her home first. So as a mom, I knew that we needed strategies that were different from what the mainstream market was telling us. And so that was the problem that I resolved to solve with my online business and subsequently my products and services that I offered. But here's the thing, finding your profitable problem is just the first step. You actually need to do something with that information. So once you know the problem that you're actually solving, the next step is creating a repeatable framework for solving it. Now, your framework is just the methodical steps that someone can take to essentially get the same result. So think of it as instructions or a recipe. If someone follows these exact steps that you've outlined in the sequence that you put them in, they should be able to solve their problem and get the results that you were able to get. In my case, I look at the steps that I followed over the past decade for building my business, especially during the time when I became a mom, and I was able to create a framework that other moms could follow to build their business and get the same success that I have been able to achieve. And this framework became the foundation of everything that I created. Now, after I had my framework, I had it validated, I knew that it could work for other people. This is where I created my first digital product from it. And for me, that was a course plus coaching community. So essentially, it was a coaching program centered around the course that was based on my framework. And that became my main product that I sold, and I was able to make a lot of money from that coaching program. But here's the thing, not everybody wanted to be in a coaching program and not everyone could afford high ticket coaching prices. So with that said, I decided to take that same digital product, that same framework, and create other products that open up other streams of income for me. So I wrote my book based on that same framework and based on the learnings that I had from my coaching program and from that course. I started hosting live events, literally teaching the same framework that I taught within my coaching program. And then I also started creating content around the framework, and I was able to make money from my content. And then now I have opened up my membership that is based on that same framework. So I created 5 different streams of income based on one framework, based on one digital product. So here's the thing, it's not just about creating one digital product. That is a very limited approach. It is about creating an ecosystem based on your knowledge and experience. It's about knowing how to monetize your knowledge, your experience, your intellectual property to build an actual business. And this is why I teach monetization inside of my membership. Because again, it's not just about the one product. It's about leveraging what you know, what you've experienced, your knowledge, your expertise, and monetizing that in multiple ways to create a sustainable business business that allows you to make a full-time income. I not only show you how to create these offers and create this ecosystem, but I also show you how to market and how to sell, and ultimately how to build a sustainable online business as a mom. So if you're interested in doing more than just creating digital products and you want to actually build a sustainable business that allows you to make a full-time income from home, then I really encourage you to click the link in the description or scan the QR code to learn more about the membership and to get on the wait list, because doors are opening again soon. At the end of the day, knowing how to monetize is the difference between literally spinning your wheels trying to find trendy products on Etsy and Pinterest and actually building a sustainable online business that allows you to consistently make income and do it in a way that's sustainable and allows you to be present in your home and just simply do the things that you enjoy. Now, listen, if you're stuck trying to figure out what the problem is that you even solved to begin with, check out this next video where I break down exactly how to figure that out.